Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing, unlock the device, and if you want safety, make a quick cloud or local backup now. Once done, open your contacts or phone app and choose the account where the contact lives: Google, iCloud, or the device. You then search or scroll to the person, tap the name to open the full details, and look for Edit or the three-dot menu. That first tap begins the deletion flow, so don't skip selecting the correct account. You now perform the core deletion. Tap Edit or the menu and choose Delete, then confirm when prompted. After that, make sure to inspect linked accounts. Remove the contact from Google, iCloud, Exchange, and any SIM or device storage where it may also exist. Once removed, search for duplicates or merged entries and delete or unlink them one by one, because leaving even one copy in a synced account will restore the contact later. Finish by verifying the removal. Force a sync or refresh in contacts, then restart your phone to ensure the change sticks. If the contact still shows up, clear the contact's app cache or app data. This removes stale local copies. If it keeps restoring, turn off sync for the account, then delete the contact directly from the account's web interface. That guarantees the master copy is gone. One troubleshooting tip: if it reappears, disabling sync before deletion usually prevents automatic restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.